Hello everyone, my name is Kusagru Patel from class 4th Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangad. Today I am going to present about snowy region. Let's start. The snowy region is very cold throughout the year. There are short grasses, mosses, willow tree are grow here. The plant grow in snowy region are mainly include conifers like pine and deodar. The people wear warm clothes and drink hot coffees to warm in snowy region. Thus, the normal life like school, office, business become impact. The winds become soft and cool in this region. The animals found in snowy region are polar bear, Arctic fox, Arctic wolf, etc. This is polar bear, this is Arctic fox, this is wolf, Arctic wolf. Thank you for listening me and bye bye.
Hello friends, my name is Sainrat Puri Goswami from class 4th Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangad. Today's my topic is snowy region. Let's start. In a snowy region, cold throughout the year. In a snowy region, people wear sweaters and gloves throughout the year. In a snowy region, animals such as deer, yak and bison and other grazing animals use their hooves and muzzles to clear snow away from plants they need to eat to survive. Generally, igloos or the ice houses are built in very cold places. An igloo is a dome-shaped building with blocks of ice built up in a spiral. Other than this, people also build wooden houses or log cabins. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Srishti Agrawal from class 4 from Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangad. Here I am going to give a presentation on the topic snowy region. This is my model of snowy region. This is polar bear, this is snowman, this is snowy tree, this is snowy car, this is snowy house. Winter is very cold and chilly season. The wind becomes soft and cool. People warm clothes and drink hot coffee. The normal life like school, office, business, it become impacted. In high hilly areas, there happens rain and nail storm in winter season. Thank you for listening me.
Everyone, I am Shrishti Singh. I study in class 4 from Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangad. Today I am going to present about the snowy region. So let's start. The coldest season of every region of the world is recorded as the winter season. The month of December, January and February is spent for winter. People living in snow-covered areas wear warm clothes. They live in igloo. Their houses are covered in snow. Animals have a thicker coat of fur. Trees are cone-shaped and have like needles and needles like leaves. Thank you for listening me. Bye bye.
Friends, my name is Khushi Sahu. I read in class 4th. My topic is a snowy region. The first number, the winter season are very cold. Second number, this season started in November and end in February. Three number, this season days are very longest. 4 number. In winter season, people wear warm clothes and like to eat hot food. 5 number. The major festivals Diwali, Christmas, Makar Sankranti and Republic Day are come in winter season. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Akshata Kesharwani. I am reading class 4. My school name is Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangarh. Today my topic is snowy region. The region that is full of snow is called snowy region. Air grows everywhere in snowy region. The people who live here, they wear warm clothes. Snow is a snowman. It's symbol of joy and love. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Simran Agbal, class 4, Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangarh. Today our topic is snowy region. Let us start. Number 1, winter is a very cold season. Number 2, this season usually start in the month of November and ends in February. Number 3, during winter days are short and night are long. Number 4, in winter season people wear warm clothes are like to eat hot. Number 5, major festival like Diwali, Christmas, Makar Sankranti and Republic Day fall in this season. Thank you for listening me.
Friends, my name is Dakshita Yadav, class 4th, Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangarh. Today I will present your topic by snowy evening. Winter seasons come after rainy season. It is cold season. In this season, where people warm clothes like sweater, gloves, socks, etc. The day are become short and long, and night become cold. The beings are other and February, ends of February and October. In cold countries are heavily rainfall, heavy snowfall. December and January are coldest month of year. Festival like Diwali, Christmas fall in winter season. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Jaswal from class 4. I am showing my presentation on snowy region. I choose the Siachen Glacier. The Siachen Glacier is part of Ladakh. It is located in the eastern Karakoram range in the Himalayas, where the LOC between India and Pakistan ends. It is the world's highest battlefield. The Siachen Glacier is occupied by India through Operation Meghdoot. Beside the Queen's military threat from Pakistan and China, the climate condition is the biggest challenge from the Army's force. Temperature is Siachen Glacier in winter drops to below -60 degrees. Till now, 869 Indian soldiers was lost their lives due to climate condition. It helped India to keep a close watch on China's activities and Pakistan activities. Thus, Siachen Glacier is very important part from India. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Nancy Kisarani. I read in class 4. My school name is Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangarh. Today my topic is snowy region. Snow region is a cold area. Snow region covered by ice. Snow region the big cold place in the world. Antarctica is the cold place in the world. Snow region animal are penguin. Snow region the tourist place on the earth. These houses are called igloos. Here is live in igloos. People and animal. Thank you. Listen my presentation. Bye.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Neeraj Kolia from Mona English Medium School, Sarangar, class 4. Presentation. Model is Sony region. Sony region. People live in igloo. Sony region people wear woolen cloth.